This is a time lapse of me making some hydrangeas out of wafer paper. Now these are wired with 2 strips of wafer paper, edible glue on it. I'm putting the strip on top, obviously with the wires in it. And then when that kind of dries a little bit, just cut the petals out and let them sit, because sometimes if you put too much glue on it, it'll make the paper buckle, and you can see that on some of them. But when you get 6 petals, just let them dry. And you can do these up ahead. This is the kind of thing you could do and just keep these petals until you need them. And then when they're dry, you dust them. But you need 2 of the smaller size and 2 of the larger size. Obviously, they don't have to be perfect. These are not exact, but just have like 2 smaller, 2 larger. And then you're going to dust them. This little center there is just a piece of wafer paper that's curled around a hooked wire so that it won't come off. And just dust everything in the colors that you want. I think I used 2 colors here. I used the purple and then I used some blue also. Yeah, just to give it a little variety. And when you use 2 colors, it's good because it gives it kind of a different look, and it's subtle, but it definitely does have a different appearance. Then you're going to wire them around the center, put the 2 small petals there first and wrap that, and then put the 2 larger ones and wrap it around. And that's basically it. So once you're done with that, you've got the flower, and you can make these up ahead of time. Like I said, that is very blurry, but you can make these up ahead of time. You can make the petals ahead, and then if you don't need to use them right away, you'll have them when you need them. And it's actually kind of good to make them, let them dry before you dust them, because if you dust the wet wafer paper, it can grab the color too much and make it splotchy. So that's all. Leave me questions and I'll answer them when I get a chance.